Pag-ibig Fund announces its readiness to receive applications for housing and calamity loans for typhoon victims. PTV's Bien Manalo has the details.
Merlita's house in Tandang Sora, Quezon City was submerged in flood due to previous typhoons, damaging some parts of her home. Her karinderya, which is her family's main source of income, was also affected.
Bawat bagyo pong dumarating dito, kaunting ulan lang po, minutes lang, andito na po agad ang baha. Dahil yung creek po natin ay medyo parang lumiit na. Kaya lahat po kami dito ay ang mga gamit namin, rep, mga nakalutang.
Merlita is one of the Pag-ibig Fund members who will benefit from the agency's calamity loan. Pag-ibig is open to receiving applications for housing and calamity loans for typhoon victims. The agency has already helped over 400,000 calamity victims this year through almost 6 billion pesos from its calamity loan.
Meron tayo ngayong 1-month moratorium na available for housing loan borrowers na naapektuhan ng bagyong ito. So kung na-damage po ang isang property ng isang miyembro na nabili niya sa tulong ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan, may insurance ito, Sir Director Ember Bien, para makatulong sa kanyang pagpaparepair.
The Pag-ibig Fund has over 16 million active members thus far. Over 80 billion pesos worth of housing loans were released to over 60,000 members. Member savings hit almost 100 billion pesos, while the net income is 40 billion pesos, and the recorded total assets reach over 1 trillion pesos.
Pagka po kayo'y naging miyembro ng Pag-ibig Fund, ibig sabihin po ay kayo po, Director Ember, ay nag-iipon para sa inyong kinabukasan.
The Pag-ibig Fund also continues in the promotion of government's flagship program, the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pamilyang Pilipino Housing o 4PH program. Pag-ibig Fund also encourages the public to continue to support their programs. From PTV4 Manila, Bien Manalo, Balitang Pambansa.